Welcome to Sree, Gouri's unique world. This is my little naughty brother Sreegouri. He will be joining with me in all videos. Hi, I'm Sree. You can call me Pachu. So, what is today's plan? Today's plan is a rhyme. Oh, I know. I wish I could be a boy. I know what to do. It's about pretty. No, it's about rain. Oh. Now listen. A raindrop which has magic powers in a pack of flowers. Capten Dob ship carries it into the bay. He went to the bay. He went to London. He went to Spain. He went to China. Almost all the bays. But what to do? He ground away. Once again. 1 minute. I'll go and come. A raindrop which has magic powers in a pack of flowers. Capten Dob's ship carries it into the bay. Into the bay. He went to London. He went to Spain. He went to China. Almost all the bays. But what to do? He ground away. It's my third video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have